If your condenser unit fan is making that annoying squealing noise, you gotta fix it fast to avoid bigger problems with your air conditioner. So first, check if the motor bearings are dry or worn out, because that's usually why the squealing happens. Grab some electric motor oil and carefully lubricate the bearings. Just a few drops, you don't want to overdo it. If you hear the noise gone after that, awesome, you're done. But if it's still squealing, the motor might be shot and needs replacing. Before swapping it out, make sure to turn off the power to avoid any shocks seriously. Also, check if the fan blades are hitting something or if they're bent. That can cause noise too. Clean off any dirt or debris around the fan since grime can mess with the motor's smooth running. And hey, keep a regular maintenance schedule so you don't get caught off guard by these noises in the middle of summer. One of the biggest mistakes people make with a squealing condenser unit fan is ignoring it until the noise gets worse, which can cause motor burnout or compressor damage. Fix it early by lubricating those bearings right away. Another common problem is using the wrong type of oil or over-oiling, which can clog up the motor. Always use electric motor oil and just a little bit. Lastly, some folks forget to turn off power before working on their unit, risking serious injury. Always switch off the breaker before touching anything inside the condenser. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid tool for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people needing work done, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.